Welcome to my channel Chemistry Class. Good morning, everyone. My dear students, welcome back to Chemistry Class. My dear student, today I'm going to share with you one of the most magical secrets of matter, which is allotropy. My dear student, have you ever wondered how the same elements, carbon, can give us diamond, being the hardest material on earth, and at the same time graphite, which is soft, used and pencil, or how oxygen that we breathe can exist is O2 and also is ozone O3, which protects us from harmful UV rays. Yes, my dear students, this amazing phenomenon is called allotropy. And today we will unlock its mastery together. So let's dive in. The first one, definitions of allotropy. My dear student, allotropy is the property of an element to exist on two or more different physical forms in the same physical state. Each form is called an allotrope. Example, carbon exists as diamond, graphite, and fluorine. And fluorines. No reason for allotropy. Different arrangement of atoms and the element. And second one, different bonding means single, double, delocalized, RTC. And the third one, different packing of atoms and crystal lattice. So now types of allotropy. What is doing? The first one is crystalline allotropy. Mean allotropes differ in crystal structure. Example, carbon mean diamond versus graphite. And the second one is amorphous allotropy. Mean atoms and amorphous allotropy. Atoms arrange irregularly. Example, amorphous carbon, coal, and charcoal. And the third one is monotropic allotropy. One form is stable, other A or unstable and gradually change into stable form. Example, diamond changes into graphite at very high temperature. Graphite is more stable. And fourth one is in anisotropic allotropy. Two or more forms are stable under different conditions, mean temperature or pressure. Example, sulfur exists as rhombic sulfur and monoclinic sulfur. Now, important example of allotropy. The first one is carbon. The carbon diamond, which is hardest, transparent, each carbon atom bonded to four others, mean and 3D network. And the second one is graphite. It is soft, black, layered structure, good conductor of electricity. And the third one is fluorines, mean carbon 60, which is spherical cage-like molecules. And the fourth one is amorphous carbon, that is charcoal, coal, lime, black. And the second one is oxygen. Oxygen are two common diatomic oxygen essential for life. And O3, ozone, triatomic molecules found in ozone layer, absorbs UV rays. And third one is sulfur. Ohmic sulfur stable below 95 degrees centigrade, yellow crystals, and monoclinic sulfur stable above 95 degrees centigrade, needle-shaped crystal. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lecture on allotropy. If this lecture helped you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends and comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class. Thank you for listening.